Good morning, students. Welcome back. Let's start today's class. And good morning to you all. So, today's class is about the logic gates. Previous class we have been discussing the Boolean algebra, and we have successfully completed the Boolean algebra chapter. And there are 35 videos done on Boolean algebra. You can kindly follow that. And today's class is chapter number 3, that is logic gates. So logic gate is chapter number 3, and as earlier, comparing to the earlier classes and earlier sessions or previous years, I would say previous years, the weightage of this chapter has been increased. Earlier it was just for 3 marks or 4 marks, and this year you will study it for you will be studying it for 8 marks. So how the questions will be asked, that will be discussed later on. Let's get started and let's check the objectives of this particular chapter and the things what we will be studying. So chapter number 3, logic gates. The objectives of this chapter is learning different types of gates, designing the logical circuits. So this class we will be learning the different types of gates available, as we have been discussing gates in the second chapter, that is Boolean algebra. Gate is, as you know, gate is a logic circuit. Sorry, it's a digital circuit or electronic circuit which performs the logical operations ಅಂದ್ರೆ and or not ಈ operations ನ perform ಮಾಡೋದು gates. So there are different types of gates and we will be learning about those gates, and also as I told you ನಾವು gates ಅನ್ನ digital circuits ಅಥವಾ electronic circuits ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So we will also be learning the circuit diagrams or the logical circuits, how you can design those circuits. So as you can see, each chapter CPU. CPU is, as we know that CPU has different logical circuits, and these circuits are they comprise like and or not gates. So let's have an introduction to the logic gates. So as I had introduced you to Boolean algebra, one name came into existence there. One was George Boole. Along with it, there was one more person, Shannon. And as I was telling you, uh, in 18th century itself, uh, Boolean algebra was invented in the year 1857. That is in 18th century. Until it was applied by Shannon, nobody knew it. So Boolean algebra was applied in telephone switching circuits, and Shannon, he was the person who started this concept of implementing Boolean algebra into electronics. So after Shannon he applied Boolean algebra in switching circuits or telephonic circuits, and then the gates were designed, and gates perform the Boolean operations, that is and or not. Let us see what is a logic gate. Elementary logic gates. Gates are digital circuits. Gate is a digital circuit because it has two inputs. It can have one or more inputs and one output. So here there can be input and output signals, and these signals are denoted by 0 and 1. 0 will be some denoted by some low voltage, and high will be, that is 1 will be denoted with some high voltage. So gates are also called as logic circuits because they can be analyzed with Boolean algebra. So let us see what the gate is. Gate andre ಏನು? Gate is a simply an electronic circuit which operates on one or more signals and always produces one output signal. So like you have calculator can be used to perform different various calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. The job of calculator is to perform the arithmetic operations. Similarly, we have a gate. ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್. ಇದ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಬೂಲಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾದು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ದೋಸ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಆ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಗೇಟಿಗೆ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ನಾವು ಬೂಲಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಇದೇ 3 ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೂಲಿಯನ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಯು to the Boolean algebra, I had told in Boolean algebra we will be using only 2 digits. ಎರಡಷ್ಟೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, that is 0 and 1, and only 3 operations, that is and or not. And or not they also called as ಅದನ್ನ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಗೇಟಿಗೆ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ನ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So this is about the introduction, and let's see the different types of gates available in a so as you see here, a gate is a simply what we can say is electronic circuit. So it can have one or more signals. As you see, ನಾವು ನಾಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೇಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸಾಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 2 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೀಕಾಲ್, ನಾವು ಮಿನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, 3 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, 4 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, so minimum of to perform a logical addition, that is or logical product, that is and, minimum of 2 inputs are required. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 2 ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದೇ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಆಗಿ 2 ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿರೈವ್ಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್. ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿರೈವ್ಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ 2 ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಏನೇನು ಯಾವ ಗೇಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ, ಯಾವ ಗೇಟಿಂದು ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ, ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್, ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ possible or expected output. So basic gates, you already know that, and or not. Along with that there are derived gates, XOR, XNOR, NAND, NOR. Adana we will be discussing in detail. Let's have a look. Basic gates, which you already know, which you have been discussing in Boolean algebra. That is, we have 3 basic gates: AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. NOT gate na inverter antanu ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So which are the 3 basic gates? There are 3 basic gates, and that is NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. These are the 3 basic gates. Fine everybody? Yes. Now there is one more category, derived gates. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಗೇಟ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು we have few more gates which are derived from this, and they are called as derived gates. There are 4 derived gates: NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. So in the class ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮನ್ನು ದೇ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವೇರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ನ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್. And also there are 4 derived gates, that is NAND, NOR, XOR and XNOR gate. So the derived gates ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ, NOR, NAND, XOR, XNOR. So let's see how they work, and before that let us start discussing basic gates. So first basic gate is inverter. Inverter ಅಥವಾ complement, that is NOT gate. NOT gate there is only NOT gate ಗೆ only one input ಇರುತ್ತೆ, okay, and there is one output, that is the complement of the input. So a inverter is also called a NOT gate. NOT gate ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, inverter ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Why? Because the output is not same as the input. Whatever input you give, the output will be exact opposite of that. That means 0 input kotre output will be 1. 1 input kotre the output will be 0. The output is sometimes called the complement, as I told you. So complement antanu, complement gate antanu ಕರಿತೀವಿ because opposite ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So inverter ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it is a NOT gate. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ only one input ಇರುತ್ತೆ and one output ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and the output is always opposite of the input. Input ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದರದ್ದು opposite ಇರುತ್ತೆ output. So for example, you can just have a look. Here we have the truth table x and the output is x bar. So low idre high baratte output, high idre low baratte. So high idre low baratte, low idre high baratte. So that is, if the input is 0, output is 1. If the input is 1, the output is 0. So as you can see here, a low input, that is 0, produces high input, high output, and that is 1, and vice versa. Andre 1 kotre 0 barutte. Not operation the symbol illi nodi melagade enide, it is bar. So bar we have, and this is the symbol of not operation. So as you can see here, bar. So x bar, the output, if input is x, the output is x bar, or so the not operation will be like the output will be x bar or x dash, like this. ಈ ತರ ಬರೆದ್ರೂ not ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So hope you have understood NOT gate. Let's take up the next gate, that is OR gate, and let's check the this is called the logic symbol. This is the logic symbol. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು, this is the logic symbol. So this is the logic symbol of NOT gate. This is how we represent a NOT gate. Next, let us take up the OR gate. So OR operation andre gottu, plus logical addition. The OR gate ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, So logical addition, you know how, that we will discuss in the truth table. The OR gate has two or more inputs but only one output. OR gate, if it has to perform the operations, it requires two or more. ಎರಡು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಎರಡು ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು, ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಟೂ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಸೊ if one or more input signals are 1, the output signal is 1. ಅಂದರೆ OR ಗೇಟಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. An OR gate can have many inputs. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಚಿಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರೂಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. No matter how many inputs are there, the action of OR gate is the same. So no matter what n number of inputs can be there in OR gate, but the output is 1 only when any one of the input is 1, otherwise the output is 0. So you can see here we have the OR gate. The OR gate has two or more input signals but only one output signal. If any one of the input, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ the output is 1, otherwise the output is 0. Let us have a look on the symbol, logic symbol and the truth table. So this is the logic symbol of OR gate. So you have this symbol, you can see two inputs and the output is F. So output F is nothing but X plus Y. So as they have taken A, B, there is little change here. We can make this as A and this will be B and this will be A plus B. So similarly you can see here the truth table for OR operation, we have X, we have Y and the output is X plus Y. As I told you, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So here there is 1, the output is 1 and here there is 1, the output is 1. So similarly here you can see we have 3 input. Actually it is XYZ is the ABC. So you know how to write the input signals 0 1 0 1 0 1, 2 zeros 2 ones, 2 zeros 2 ones and 4 zeros 4 ones, and here there is 1, therefore the output is 1. Here there is 1, we can write output as 1. Here there is 1 and here also 1, so output is 1. Any one is fine. Here there is 1, so output is 1. Here we have 1 and also here we have 1, output is 1. Then we have 1 and 1, the output is 1. And here we have 1, 1 and 1, the output is 1. So this is the logic symbol and the truth table for OR gate. Hope you have understood. Now let us take up the AND gate. The AND gate, again it is like OR gate, which can have two or more inputs and the one output. Minimum is 2. So to perform AND operation, minimum we require 2 inputs and always there is one output. There can be more than 2 inputs also. The basic law or the basic rule here is the output is 1 when all the input signals are 1. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ಸ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ the output signal is 0. This gate, as you know, Boolean algebraದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So as we know, this performs logical multiplication. So this gate, it can have 2 or more inputs and it gives one output. ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ inputs ಇರಬಹುದು and there is only one output signal. So here, if any input is 0, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು input 0 ಇದ್ರೆ output 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So to obtain output 1 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ all input should be 1. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಆದ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು it will perform the logical multiplication. The AND gate can have 2 or more input signals and produces one output signal. When all the inputs are high, then the output is high. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಹೈ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಹೈ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, ಲೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0. ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ the output is 0. So you can see here 0 0 ಇದೆ, output is 0. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 0 ಬಂತು, output is 0. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 0 ಇದೆ, output is 0. ಎಲ್ಲಾ 1 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ 1 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So let's see the logic diagram and the truth table for the same. Logic symbol ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? So logic symbol ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Say we can see a AND gate with 2 inputs, 3 inputs, 4 inputs. ಎಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು 0 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರೂಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಲೆಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಿ n ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್. ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ಎಲ್ಲಾನು 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So previously we saw the truth table for 2 inputs. Let's have a look. Let's see the truth table with 3 inputs. So 3 input ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 0 ಇದ್ರೂ, as you can see here, even there is 1 0, the output is 0. ಒಂದು 0 ಇದ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು 0 ಇದ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ 0 ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 1 0 ಇದ್ರೂ 0. So you can see all inputs are 1, 1, 1 and 1. The output is 1. So as you can see there is it's okay input they have taken XYZ, but in the gate they have taken ABC. You can just change that to ABC. So this is the logic symbol and also the truth table for 3 inputs. Same you can take ABCD, 4 variables, there will be 16 combination of values, and for all combinations from the beginning it will be 0. Only the last combination 1 1 1 1. When all the inputs, that is all the 4 inputs 1 1 1 idre matra output 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Otherwise the output will be 0. So let's move on to the derived gates. So you can see NOR. NOR name, it is a little familiar with OR. OR, NOR. There is something related between OR gate and
NOR gate. What is related and how these two are related, we will discuss in next session. So hope you have understood today's class, and as there was no much new topics studied in today's session, it was just a revision class of what has been studied in Boolean algebra-dallu ಒಂದು topic ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. Boolean algebra-ದಲ್ಲಿ we had learnt logic gates. It is same, almost same. There is no much difference between the logic gates which we studied in the book. It's the same topic. So next class we will be learning the derived gates. As told earlier, there are four derived gates and we will discuss about those in coming up session. Hope you have understood today's class. Thanks for your patience listening. Have a great day ahead.